Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to live stream on YouTube with your phone. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application on your phone. And once you open it, you need to log in into your account. Here, as you can see, I have logged in into my account. Then now we will have to click on this plus icon in the middle bottom of the screen. And after that, here you can see these several options. You can choose between video, shorts, live. Simply, I'll go for live, then click on learn more. And now it here tells you that you need at least 50 subscribers and so on. So now let me show you how can I do it on my second channel. So now here's my second channel. I'll simply click on the plus icon again, then click on live. And here we go. This is me. Now you can change the orientation. You can change the microphone settings. And once you're all done, you can simply hit the next. Then you'll have to choose between whether it's made for kids or not. So simply I'll click on no because I want to allow comments. Then it will take about 3 seconds in order to go live. And now I am live. Okay, close. And you can use a green screen if you want. But here in my case, I do not actually have a green screen. I do not have a green chroma. But you can use something like that. You can remove it if you want. You can even do more modifications. You can modify the microphone input, and also which camera do you want to use, okay, whether you want to off the camera or not. So this is how you can actually do it. And if you want to cancel your stream, you can simply click on the top left button just like so. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Simply click on OK. And that is it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.